Hey y'all, Get Level here. Earlier this year, I made a decision to only do tech reviews on this channel because I have a separated tech review channel, only if a product is either popular or impressive. And we have the latter today. When Dekala sent me an email and told me, hey, we have this thing called the Lightflow. It's a neon rope light. I was like, okay, it's probably gonna be basic. And then I opened the box and I was like, oh my God, there's so much possibility. I'm genuinely impressed. I should probably cover this on my main channel. So this is a neon rope light, I believe, unlike any other because of how they simplify the idea of doing DIY shapes and letters and whatever. But they also give you so many things. Everything is USB-C in this box, as you're gonna see. You have extensions, you have the power, you have all the cables to link each other. Everything is USB-C. You even have a hub with like 7 ports if you want to create like a sun, or if you want to connect more things like parallel to the effect. It's amazing. The silicone provides like a great diffusion. The colors are vibrant, they're very accurate. It's the prettiest lights that I've ever seen when it comes to, you know, strip lights and stuff like that. Everything is backed with 3M tape so that you can pick the exact shape that you want on your wall or whatever you're gonna put it. And you also get a bunch of mounting clips and cable brackets basically in order to, you know, fix the shape that you absolutely want. This is everything that is in the box that I'm trying to fit. And this is basically the power cable, goes to the 12-volt adapter, and then you see USB-C female, USB-C male. This is the controller if you're not using it with your phone or your home assistant like Alexa or Google Home, for example. It allows you to turn it. You can turn it in order to change the speed of the animation. There's plus and minus buttons that allow you to set the brightness of the lights. And also you can press the button to change modes, keeping in mind that all modes have subcategories. This was the 12 volts adapter, and this is the USB male and female extension cords. What you're looking at right now is a 7-port USB-C hub, basically. So you can plug the neon lights directly into it if you want to have something like a sun effect. It's amazing. What you're going to see here is the mounting brackets. Everything has 3M backing tape. You're going to have one clip for the cable. You're going to guess which one is which. And you're going to have one mounting for the neon light. This is how you basically hold the shapes that you want in place. I'm not actually gonna mount it on my wall in this video because I'm so indecisive. I don't know what. By the way, if you have any ideas of what I should create on my wall as artwork, please leave them in the comment section below. This is the user manual, and honestly, it's one of the most useful user manuals I've ever seen. It tells you what's in the box, it tells you how to install it, but it also gives you ideas on how you can create like a little bit of artwork, right? Here's how to use it, and let's say if you want to make an open sign, you can do that. Also tells you how to use the app, tells you all the subcategories that you have on each effect. You're gonna see me plug in it, and at the same time, I want to tell you that on the user manual, if you scan one of the QR codes, it actually brings you to a website that gives you more ideas and shows you what other people have created when it comes to shapes with those lights. So it's pretty cool. It's really cool that it's DIY. So you're the artist, but they also give you inspiration in case, you know, you get stuck or something like that. This is what it looks like. This is the holiday effect, I believe, and it looks so good in real life. And it still looks really good on camera, but it looks even better in real life. Lots of effects, so many that I can't put all of them in one video. Now, one thing that you need to know is that you don't need the app to make this work. You can just use the controller as I'm doing right now. It has a music mode. Actually, I should tell you exactly all the modes that it has real quick. So it has rainbow, fire, holiday, fireworks, spectrum, chase, breathe, music, and random. Random is my favorite. Music is pretty good. It reacts to sounds and your voice or whatever it is. And as you can see, I put it down on the floor on the like what I call the palm tree pattern. And I'm testing like, I think I was beatboxing or something like that. I was testing the music version. So I had trouble with their app. So there's the Dekala app on the App Store basically, but I also realized that it was compatible with Smart Life. So if you have a whole home automation system and you use the Smart Life app, it's also compatible. So I got it to work with Smart Life. So it basically integrates all my home automation system, and now I can control it with my Amazon Echo, for example. It's an amazing light. I'm very, very surprised to see to see just like how impressive it actually is. I can't stop looking at it. Here you can see I made a different shape right there. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to buy it, or if you want to learn more information that I maybe have glossed over in this video, but it's It's great. And right here, I'm not even using all the lights. I believe it's in random mode right now. And yeah, every mode has subcategories, up to 9 subcategories per mode. So maybe on my tech channel, I will make a video where I test all of them. Video's probably gonna be like 30 minutes or maybe an hour, just to show you how you can customize it or which mode you prefer or something like that. If you think that's a good idea, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, this was Gal Level, and this is the Dekala Lightflow. And I love it. I love it so much. Check out the links in the description and let me know what you think. See you later. Gal Level out.